Okay, so here is the demo of this fantastic software. Easy to use, very useful, but most importantly, it's very fun to use. So let's actually do that. I'm going to show you just one feature right now because all the features are just as easy to use, but let's just do a video face swap right now. So what I'll do is I'll click on this when we first log in. This is what I'm faced with, and video face swap is one of the options. So I'm going to click on Get Started. Now I am inside Video Face Swap. I browse for a video and I'm going to select a video from a little demo file I made. And this is the original right here. It says a blonde woman original. So let me just open that. And now what I want to do is actually change her face to make her face something entirely different. So let's see how to do that. We have three choices. The faces we've already used is on the left. You can see that right here. The main database, which is what we're going to use now, and My Faces, which allows you to actually upload faces that you can merge into whatever video or image that you choose. So in this case, of course, we're doing a video face swap, so we're going to change the video. So let's pick something completely outrageous. Let's go to the filter right here, and then on the right hand side, it's a little hard to see, but you could pick the gender, female, the age group, adult. You could actually age her, but I'm going to just go with adult, and I'm going to change her to a Latino. All right, and I'm going to pick this image right here because I also did this last night, and I know that came out pretty well. She had a long face, and this woman has a fairly long face, so that's why I chose that woman. And now you can see at the top, we have the blonde woman and the new Latino woman that we've chosen are going to be merged together. In other words, the one on the right is going to move into the face of the one on the left, and the video is going to play with the merged face. Now let me show you at the top here, we have a few choices, either HD or Super HD, depending on you or your client's needs. I'm just going to do HD, and then we could render in light mode or deep mode. Deep mode really changes the face a lot, but sometimes there's a few glitches. This is really just in beta mode, beta test mode. But light mode is about a 50 or 60% change in terms of the facial features. In other words, the blonde woman's face will change 50 to 60% of the way towards this woman's face. And that's what we're going to choose in this case. Before I do click render, though, I do have to give it a title. So I'm going to write blonde woman mixed with Latino page 1. I said page 1 because it was the first page that we hit of the database. All right, so now I go on this and I just click render light, and that's it. We're going to actually just press OK right there, and boom, this is now rendering. It says it's going to take 4 minutes. This is fairly accurate, the time that it gives you. It's usually slightly longer, so figure on 5 minutes in this case. It takes generally several minutes to as much as 15 minutes, depending on the demand, and it's in queue. However, last night I actually did a trial run to what I was going to show you today, so I've actually already rendered this particular video. Let's take a look at a comparison between the original and the actual rendered video from FaceSwap. That's crazy, right? It's so good. And of course, the other features, as I said, just as easy to use. You could change images the same way, the actual faces on images, and you could change the backgrounds on both images and videos without even needing green screen in the background. That can be just swapped out instantly as well. It's just great stuff. And as I said, so much fun to do.